What is going on, everyone? My name is Rich and I am a working actor out in Los Angeles, California. And today I'm going to be talking to you about why you should give acting a shot. So first thing is first, if you are watching this video right now, it has most definitely crossed your mind at some point like, hey, I should probably try becoming an actor. So what happens if you try it and you end up not liking it? Okay, so you've wasted a few hours, a few days of your life that you're never gonna get back? Okay, well, at least you know. You don't have to go through life wondering, what if? And if you have tried acting before and you love it, you enjoy it, then keep doing it, because why not continue to get that enjoyment? Who knows, maybe you can eventually make a career out of it. You just need to keep trucking along. Another reason that I always tell people to give acting a go is because it can really help you step out of your comfort zone, as well as kind of figure out who you are as a person. And I don't think that that's ever a bad thing. When we're out and about in our day-to-day lives, I feel like a lot of the times we put on this mask, this fake self-image to blend into the normal day-to-day. And I think that acting just really offers a chance to kind of dig deep into yourself and figure out who you are as a person. And the last point that I want to hit on that I feel like a lot of people skip over because they think, actor, oh, you're playing imaginary. Learning how to act can actually teach you real life skills. Let me just say that again. Learning how to act can actually teach you real life skills. Now hear me out on this one. Going to a job interview, I have pulled from so many of my acting experiences to go on a job interview and get a job. And by that I mean a day job, not an acting job, because you actually have to act for that, so. Nothing but knee slappers here, guys. Anywho, I'm sure you get my point here. Memorization skills, like for memorizing scripts, you can absolutely apply that to real life things. Let's not forget public speaking too, or even when you're just doing a video for YouTube and you're doing it in front of an entire audience of strangers that you can't see. Awkward. And with that, those are a few of the many reasons why you should give acting a shot. So, if you have any more questions about any of these, or need any more of a reason to just go for it and start your acting career, be sure to drop them down in the comments below. If you like what you see and you want to know more about what it's like to be a working actor out in Los Angeles, California, be sure to click the like button, subscribe, and until next time, guys.